let's talk about VPNs. VPNs are like super expensive, like extremely expensive. I think for the good ones, we can have cheaper VPNs and they won't really give you what you want to get. So for you to get like premium VPNs that are going to do well, going to keep you anonymous on the internet, you need to pay heavily. But what if I told you that I can show you how to get premium VPNs for free? That's what this video is all about. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a premium VPN for free. You can use this on both on your laptop and your mobile device, be it either Android or iOS. Alright, so if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I'm a visitor for this tutorial, so I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and also hit that like button. Just smash that like button. So like I said, I'll be showing you guys how to get premium VPNs for free. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. So the first thing first you need to do is that you need to come to this site here. I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so it will be easier for you to access it. So when you come here, you have to sign up. That's the first thing you need to do. First of all, let me put this straightly. You will need a card to activate this, but that's not to worry. You don't need to have any money in your card. The card could have €0 or $0, and it's still going to work. Okay, just need it just to get the account activated. So when you come to this page, this is a sign up page. So you're going to see here, you're going to see Facebook, option for Apple, Google, or let's just use an email. So let's just use a free, any of these temporary email. So just Google temp mail. Just look for any. If one takes too long to load, we can just make use of any other one that like loads up there. All right, good. This one has opened already. So I believe I already know how to use temporary email already. So let's just copy this and then bring it right here. Then I'm gonna paste it here and I'm gonna hit continue. Wait for it to load. All right, it's here. That's saying that we have sent an email to blah 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 blah. So we need to come here and then check. All right, here's email. All right, so please verify. Just verify the account. Okay, you open here, then wait for it to load, because it's still not clickable yet. I think my network is kind of like bad. It's not bad, but I think slow. Just open. So when you click on verify, so it's going to bring us to this page. Then you're going to ask you to choose a password. Just follow this criteria and choose a password. So okay. Then click on continue. And just save this. Alright, so when you do this, you want to click on continue. So this is what you're going to see when you just open. This is the page you're going to land on first. Alright, so this is the page you're going to come to get. So what you need to do is I need to come to this payment center. So this will bring you to this page. So what you need to do is I need to scroll down. All right, keep scrolling until you see this option. This option that says try for 60 days. All right. So when you see this option, there are other options here too. But let's make use of this try for 60 days. You want to click on it. So now, like it's going to be required for us to download the VPN. All right. So it's supposed to start automatically. Yeah, it's started. So let's download it. We're done downloading. Our VPN is done downloading. So let's just open it and then install. All right. So click on install. So quick break. Let's talk about the sponsors of today's video. I want to put you guys on something very interesting. If you're someone who works online, browse securely, and needs very fast and reliable proxies, then you should definitely check out Proxy-Seller. They have been in the game for over a decade now and have earned the trust of over 500,000 users. And to be honest, their performance shows why. You get super fast speed up to 1000 gigabytes, 99% uptime, and access to IPS in over 220 countries. Plus, they support both SOX 5 and HTTPS, and their dashboard is one of the easiest I've ever used. Auto renewal,
repeated purchases, and everything is just a few clicks. The infrastructure is huge, 400 networks and over 800 subnets. So you always have stable IPs. And if you buy in bulk or go long term, they are going to give you a solid discount. If you need browsers for privacy, smooth browsing, or just surfing the internet securely, then you should definitely check out Proxy-Seller. They are one of the best out there. I will leave a link in the description for you to get started. If you use my link, you're going to get a discount. So make sure you click on the link in the description below so you'll be able to get proxies. Proxies that are very affordable, and trust me, this is like the best proxy out there. So back to the video.
So the installation process might take a few minutes, alright, so but just give it time to install. So we're done installing. So when you're done installing here, when you get to this place, so it just follow this starting. So let's try turning this on and let's see. All right, so as you can see, it doesn't turn on. So what you need to do is come to your menu, then click on my subscription. All right, so we're gonna come there to sign in. So usually it brings us back so that we'll be able to sign into the account that we use. So if you remember, this thing that we use is supposed to be, and I'm sure you remember the password that you made use of, so you should have that in mind. So when this is done, they're going to prompt you to open the app. All right, so we need to come back here, then open the app. So now that we're successfully logged into the account, here you're going to come here, then you're going to click on, you're going to try to turn on the VPN here. So when you're done, you just come here. So when you're done, you just come here and click on start free trial. You see, you're going to pay 0.00 for the first 60 days. All right, so when you click on that, it brings you to this page right here. So you have two options. You have option of to pay with PayPal or to pay with your card. I live in a country where PayPal doesn't work, so we'll pay with our credit card. For the sake of this video, basically paying with our credit card. So you just have to fill up this information with your credit card. As you can see, they're not going to deduct you. You won't pay anything until you see just say 0.00. You won't have to pay anything, so you don't have to worry. So just fill in your credit card. So after inputting your details, you're going to come to this page. So what you have to do is just to come here and click on agree as a subscription of nowhere, blah blah. Then you click on please order. So our free trial, as you can see, our free trial has been activated. All right, so we just have to go back, and then as you can see, I paid it of 0.00. So this is like almost like completely free. So we're gonna go back and try to use the software. So now we can turn this on and then try to see our location. All right, so now it's showing us like the normal location that we are. So let's just change this location. Okay, so which location I'm going to try? All right, let's just try America. As you can see, they have like 3 cups. Sorry, that's not America. America have like 25 different locations here that you can use like differently. Let's try Washington. All right, it has been checked. So let's just check our whole and see the strength of our VPN, because it's currently working right now. All right, so as you can see, our VPN is connected to United States. All right, so we got this all for free. All right, so our disguise is like 90%. which is like great. I'm going to show you guys on how to use this on your mobile phone. So let's just switch to the mobile phone.
So to do this on your phone, you have to come to your Play Store or App Store, whichever one you're using, then download this Avast Secure Line and VPN. It's gonna open. Here it is. This is the logo, so we don't use it. So I've already installed it. If you're coming, you just have to install yours. So just click on open. Then as when you're done installing, you just come and click on open, and I'm going to let it load. So when it's done loading and opened here, what you have to do is just to click on get started. All right, so you're gonna just click on next. Then here, this is the page that you're going to land on. All right, I want to give you the prices, but we already have a VPN running already. So what you have to do is come here and click on this already purchased. So when you click on this already purchased, and you have 4 options here on how to log in an account that you already purchased. All right, so we're going to make use of the 4th one here, this enter activation code. All right, so we're going to go back to our account. There we're going to see our activation code. So you're going to open your account here. You're going to come to this menu, and then you're going to click on you're going to come here and click on my subscription. All right, so as you can see, you already have a subscription here. So at the time of making this video, my subscription is going to end on January 20th, 2026, as you can see here. All right, so we just click this drop down, and here we have our product key. This is a product key that we're going to make use of it to activate the one on our phone. It's here, so you just have to copy it, then take it to the phone and install it there. All right, so as you can see, you can use those like 10 device on this. You can use like 10 device when it's connected on it. So we just have to come and copy this, then take it back to the account, to your phone. So when you get the code, then paste it here. Here is our code. Then when you're done, just click on continue. All right, and there we have it. It's already connected. All right, so we have our VPN on our phone. It's ready. So we can also come here, then change the locations, choose locations that we want. Let's just use Canada, Montreal, and click on agree, continue. If it's the first time doing it, you will need to run some activation behind in your phone to allow it to work perfectly. So so you see it's connected. So let us run a quick word test to see how our network is. Whore.net. I'm sure you're familiar with this website already. So we're going to carry out this configuration, and as you can see, we have this guys of 78%. You can always change the location and try to do it again, but let's say we are secured at some point. All right, so that's this on that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was insightful, I hope it was helpful, and I hope it was educative. Before we move forward, before I end this video, please, this is strictly for educational purposes only. All right, so whatever I teach on this channel is strictly for educational purposes only. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also turn on the post notification so that you'll be the first to get my videos the next time they drop. See you guys in the next video.